Your Masterpiece 45 includes the antenna, U-bolt mounting hardware, an instruction manual, and a loose element with a screw and nut. You'll need 8 and 13 millimeter wrenches. Step 1. Unfold the longer VHF elements until they click into place. Step 2. Rotate the elements on the bottom side of the antenna until they are perpendicular with the center boom. Step 3. Take the loose element and attach it to the antenna where the red dot is found with the included screw, and secure the connection as shown by tightening the nut. Step 4. Unfold the last pair of VHF elements until they snap into place. Step 5. Make sure the U-bolt mounting hardware is attached to the antenna correctly as shown. Even though the U-bolt mounting hardware comes pre-attached to the antenna, the nest plate may need to be switched around before the antenna can be mounted to a mast. Step 6. Slide the antenna mast through the opening on the U-bolt and then secure the connection by tightening the nuts using the 13 millimeter wrench. This concludes the assembly of the Channel Master Masterpiece 45. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.